1 Reefscape.
Only a point that autonomous points are worth. That movement is during the first 15 seconds. Robots are completely pre-programmed, and all of them have moved across that black tape line. 34.94 the quadrangles, going for 2 of those placement on L3, removing that algae and prepared for the teleoperated period. 868 the Texans, especially putting up a couple of those game pieces up at L4. Those were worth 7 points, but as we enter into teleoperated, those are now only worth 5. The remaining 2 minutes now is all teleoperated as human players pick up their controller and drive the robots their team built over the last 13 weeks. 34.94 the quadrangles, successfully delivering an algae into processor. That passes that teal sphere known as algae over to their opponents for an attempt to score into the barge. A lot of teams have been successful with their human player, but we'll have to monitor that throughout most of the match. Team 8430, Reckless Robotics, putting some pressure onto their opponents. Or excuse me, Reckless Robotics is 5402. 8430 is the hatchback. Their simple design has allowed them to place the coral down in the L1 trough as very precipitously and with high precision, especially since they're featuring that swerve drive mechanism. 829 and Digital Goats with their unique wrist mechanism allows them to pick up from the ground and from the coral station, give a little bit of a twist, and then prepare for placement in that reef. It seems like they can also do algae, which is pretty impressive. 69-56 Westfield team, Shamrock Robotics, continue to place game pieces on their side. Scores currently 109 to 129 in favor of your Red Alliance, featuring 2 of those 800 level teams. 34-30, excuse me. Hatchback continuing to place game pieces, hoping to slide one onto that L2 level, and they are successful. We're 3 points for their alliance. Blue Alliance continuing to apply that positive pressure to their opponents. We haven't seen much bumper on bumper yet, as teams have been focusing on their own alliance sides as they continue towards the end game period. 868 the Tech Hounds trying to slide in for another game piece. They are successful. They have both agreed to cooperation. That means they've placed 2 of those algae into the processor, lowering that ranking point threshold from 4 of those levels filled just to 3. We heard that sonar ping, 10 seconds remaining in the match. Teams hoping to get elevated off the ground. Only a few moments remaining. 829 Digital Goat successfully elevated. 5402 Reckless Robotics, quadrangles, and just shy for the Tech Hounds. We'll see how this scores total up here in qualification match 47 here at the FIRST Indiana State Championship. 8-point difference there in that match. The difference looks to be all across the board a mixed bag, but the Red Alliance proudly walking away with all 6 of the available ranking points and actually distributing all 9 that are available in this match. 3 for winning the match, and both teams getting in for the hard work and autonomous, the end game, and the reef. Stick tight for qualification match 48.